and it's a very cool place. Produce air and ventilation.
The park is very nice. It's Gharafa is a conditioned park.
What is the price of rent?
We study in same class.
Hi guys, happy summer to you all. I know you all are excited about the festivals and the summer events. I'm also excited. So it's pretty hot, and if you guys want to cool down, I have a pretty unique and beautiful place for you. It is located in Al Gharafa. It's called the AC Park. So I will show you more in detail about what this park is about, how big is it and what it contains, and I'll also summarize how this feels. So guys, I know you are excited about the park. You will enjoy it, and I'll show you everything this park contains. It's a pretty huge one, and I'll tell you more info about it. Many people come to it, so you will see more in detail. This is just the preview about how the park looks. It's a nice smooth park. Even from the outskirts, it looks like a park that would be enjoyable. It's filled with flowers and gardens. So stay tuned for the next part. I'll show you the main components about this. So guys, this is one of the main components of the park. As you can see, we are in this tunnel shaped place. It has many designs, and there are many plants and flowers. It's like a tunnel garden, and it's a very cool place, and it's also chilly. As you can see down here, these are vents, so they produce air and ventilation, and you can find many places where they produce air. These benches, as you can see, and these floor vents. It's pretty cool to see how they constructed this, and it's one of the main components. So this is why it is called AC Park. You will find most of these hills here. I'll explain about that later. First of all, you can take a look at this. Coming here in the summer is the best because you can cool down and jog without having the urge to sweat, or it will be still more comfortable to jog. As you can see, many seating areas are here. Even on the seating areas below them, you can it produces air on your legs. The shin area, you can sit here, and it provides air to your shin, which is pretty comfortable. And more, you will find more grass fields. And guys, in the next clip I'll show you other main components, but take a look at this before we move on. And you can see there are many fields in this park. It has lots of exercising areas and parks for children. It's an enjoyable park.
Gharafa is a condition park, and it is a very huge park, and it is all boundaries are covered by a tunnel, and you can say that this is not artificial tunnel. There is a greenery there, and inside tunnel there is a air conditioner. So it's hot weather in Doha, like 40 centigrade. Come to this park, while that you feel that it is a 60 centigrade park, and like that you are in these of Western countries. So it's very good enjoying the greenery there, well-maintained park. Yeah, I agree with you. All facilities like prayer, and greeny trees, and playground for the children, training for the exercise maybe for the elders. It's very nice, and I don't see any other park like this in Qatar. So I rated our 5 rating for this.
How's the atmosphere of the place? Like the first impression?
Atmosphere is very nice. Like people gather here, it's also very nice. And the ability in Gharafa is so the ability and the people are coming, are very nice people, and will. Thank you so much.
Sir, I wanted to ask you what is the price of renting?
6 riyal for 1 hour. So you take 1/2 hour for 3 riyal.
It's a good price, you know.
Yes, that is fine.
And what about these? These look cool and modern.
That one is 40.
40
1
riyal.
hour. And half hour is 25.
Half hour. So you have to drive this manually?
Yes,
By
only
okay.
cycle.
Okay.
Shop is only cycle.
Ah.
Not cycle is free.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a cool little shop. So, anyways, these are for small kids.
For kids.
There are more than this, like other types of cycles. And so, guys, as you can see, this was the price of the cycles. This one is probably the better one in summer because it protects your heads from, you know, sunlight. And so this one I think is probably the best. It's recommended to get this if you are a lot. As you can see, you can fit 2 people here and 4 people in the front. The front is for you know, little children. So guys, this is an extra part in the video. Today I wanted to call out someone very important. You will see him in just 1 second. Come here. He's my best friend. His name is Emma.
Hello guys, my name is Ahmed Farid. I am his Abdurrahim friends, and we study in same class. I am his class fellow.
And he is actually a big supporter of me. He watches lots of my videos. So shout out to Ahmed. He's a very big fan and he also respects you all. Let's move on to the next part. guys, as I promised you earlier, I would show about the facilities of this park. So this park has a female and male prayer area that contains a washroom and ablution area. Both of the prayer areas and female and male toilets have it. And you can also find two playgrounds, children playgrounds in this park. One is the smaller one. This is for 5 to 6 years old, and that is for 6 to 12. So that is the more big park and more enjoyable one. That is my preferable selection. And here there are many places to chill and eat with your family or friends. There are 4 cafes in this park total, and there is also an exercise area there. As you can see, people use this a lot. And if you want to sunbathe, you can. There, it is cold and warm. So here you can lay down and bathe in the sun. And also, I forgot to mention, there is an inner transportation system here, which is a pretty cool way of moving around the park. It's found over there. You can rent out cycles, 4-wheel bikes, and a family cycle, which is pretty cool. And they cost various prices. I told you that earlier. And to summarize it up, you can find many other things like water fountains that you can drink from. There are more than 5. I saw more than 5, which is pretty cool. And honestly, this is a great park. It's 50,000 square meters, so it's a decent sized park. So guys, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. It will help my channel a lot. I'll make more videos like this. It will be very enjoyable. So do not forget my request and share it. So guys, bye. Have a good day.